I'm draining this tub, and I love this tub. It has fish water in it because I got fish in it. I'm really having a problem with the bees, and then they fall down in there, drown, because it's so dry. But anyway, I want to show you first what the water looks like. This is out in the horse lot, and this is their tub. We haven't put anything in it yet, and I told Bill I better hurry up and get fish over here before mosquitoes hatch out if they're not already in there, because them goldfish really eat them up. And get some fish in here. I got some plants I want to move in here also, so that's what I'm working at today, is getting the fish over here. And I got a big old white one, fat, so I don't know if she's gonna have babies, and I'm afraid to move her over here, the shock of it. The smaller ones do much better, and then the big ones. So now I'm gonna go water some plants with my fish water, and that turned out so good, having that fish water nearby. I can water my plants with it. I really love it. Hey, are you gonna help me? Hey, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do, Peanut? He said, I don't know, it's getting hot. And here's some figs. They get their first, everybody's kind of dry around here. Get that fish water to them. So they're gonna really love that. And to get these up here, I got a smaller jug I'm gonna get, because this is too heavy to raise up so far. Yeah. Yep. It's gonna be a hot day today. And I don't know about this cactus, but I'll give it some. There. So I'll be doing that around here, taking care of my plants, doing that stuff. So I'll talk to you in a little bit when I get ready to catch fish. It's getting on down there. Now you can see the grass in it. I just love that grass in it. And I've been trying to pluck out the bees. And I'll get it now lower, move my plants, and I can find some fish in here. Here's my fish I'm going to put over there, and then get a new home. Bill is going to put a home in there for him just to get under shade. So he's going to put that in there for me. Yeah, there we go. So, got everything done on this project. So thanks for watching. Bye. All it? Okay. Right. Mama hadn't found him, so. Okay. Alright. And he loves this cat food. Yeah, I soak it, get it soft. I'm gonna get a piece of it falling apart. Okay. Hey, you gotta shut your mouth. There. Okay. And a little bit of water there. There you go. There. Oh, dropped it. You gotta grab it. There. Swallow it. Come on. Is that enough? We do this all day long. Yeah. One more. Oh. Alright. Get it down there. There's some water. Alright, more water. Oh. There's more. Okay. I'm not going to overfeed it. Oh, you feel better now? Yeah. Was that good? You can rest. Yeah. Yeah, you can rest now. Okay. Bye.